Hello students, today we are going to discuss about the topic numbers. In this chapter, we are going to discuss about the three types of numbers. We recall the different types of numbers which you have already learned in our earlier classes. So today we are going to discuss about the three types of numbers. One is natural numbers, whole numbers and integers. Natural numbers. Let me discuss first about the natural numbers. When we want to count, it is natural to start with numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and goes on, isn't it? Let me give you example. If you have 5 pens, how you will start to count? You will start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Right? Yes, the same way. When you are starting to count, you start with the natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. That's why it is called as natural numbers. These natural numbers are used for counting. So that it is called as counting numbers. Let me give me an example. If I say 2, it is a natural number. If I say minus 2 by 3, will you count by minus 2 by 3? No, it is not a natural number. For example, minus 2.3, it is not, will you count it by 2.3? No, you will say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, isn't it? So that it is called as counting numbers. The ray diagram. The natural numbers can be visualized as a ray marked with these numbers you can see here. Next, we are going to discuss about what is a whole numbers. Consider the situation that yesterday my purse had money rupees say 8. For example, you had 8 rupees in your pocket yesterday. Yesterday you have spent money and you have nothing in your pocket. So that emptiness denotes 0, nothing denotes 0. These natural numbers along with the 0 become whole numbers. When the natural numbers come along with 0 in the front, so it becomes a whole numbers. The whole numbers can be visualized now as follows: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9 and goes on. Next, we are going to discuss about integers. So integers, so even 0 was not sufficient to solve all the problems. So we need still more. For example, let me give you example. If I say to take 4 apples from 6 apples, you will easily, without no doubt, you will say remaining there will be 2 apples. Suppose if I say to take 6 apples from 4 apples, then how you will say? You have to say by negative terms, right? So there you need the negative terms. That we are calling as negative terms. In this integers, we have set of zeros, the natural numbers and the negatives of the natural numbers. The integers consist of 0, the natural numbers and the negatives of the natural numbers. The integer is denoted by the letter Z. Here comes, you can see the ray diagram, number line of the integers. So 0, the right side, the forward condition takes positivity and the backwards denotes the negative integers and the forward condition denotes the positive integers. Next, rational number. Even after coining integers, one could not sufficiently solve all the problems. We need still more. Suppose, let me give you an example again. If I say, what is 8 divided by 5? You can easily, it is not easy to say that. For example, if I tell 10 divided by 5, you can easily tell 2, isn't it? So 8 by 5 is somewhat difficult. So there come decimals, there come zeros, there come fractions. Yes, right? The ratio made by dividing an integer by another integer is called rational numbers. So the rational numbers, what is integers we have already discussed? The integers nothing but zeros, the natural numbers and negative of the natural numbers. Okay. The rational number is a number of fractional form a by b. So the rational number will be in the form of a by b. It will be in the ratio form where a and b are integers, but that b is not equal to 0. That b should not be equal to 0. The denominator should not be equal to 0. The rational number is denoted by the letter q. The examples: minus 2 by 5. Minus 2 is a negative integer and 5 is a positive integer. So 1 by 2. And 0. 0 is also a rational number. 0 is neither a negative nor a positive. Thank you.